Hello folks, this is Alex from Shine Electronic Solutions. So we've been working on the kill switch for the FL5. Here it is. So the function are pretty much the same. Right now the kill switch is active. So I got the OEM key fob. I'm locked, unlocked, nothing works. Car is locked. So the only way to open the car is using the key inserted in the OEM key fob, or we can use the fob from the kill switch. So now the driver door is unlocked, the other door remain locked, and you can see everything is there. Okay, grab the key. So everything is dead. Turn on the lights. I think the horn works. Yes, it works. For all the rest, central door lock. If you try to start the car, ignition, nothing happens. Clutch, nothing. So the only way to make it work is inserting the USB. Second, the alarm is gonna go off. Maybe not. Okay, so now we got power and everything is go back to normal. Let's start the car. Shut it off. So, I'm guessing it's gonna be ready for production maybe in 30 days, maybe a little bit more. But I got a few prototypes ready to go, so I will keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching. The other interesting feature I forgot to mention is my kill switch is the OBD2 port has no power. So if you want to hook up a laptop or program a new key fob, that won't be possible. So plug the USB, and you can see now the Flash Pro has power. Just hook up to the OBD2 port.